In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the HSBC Mobile Banking app for 2025. Keeping your banking app updated is crucial for security, new features, and a seamless experience. So let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you have the latest version running smoothly on your smartphone. First up, let's launch the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, look for the familiar blue icon labeled App Store and give it a tap. For those using an Android device, you'll want to find and tap on the Google Play Store icon. These apps act as marketplaces for all your apps, including banking ones, and will be where we find the updates. Once the store is open, it's time to locate the HSBC Mobile Banking app. The easiest way is to use the search functionality. Simply tap on the search bar and type HSBC Mobile Banking. This is a quick method, especially if you haven't set your apps to auto-update. Alternatively, you can also find pending updates by navigating through your store settings. For iOS users, you can do this by heading to your profile or account section and then tapping on Updates. Android users will find this information under My Apps and Games and then Updates. This account section is a great place to see what other apps might also need updating. But today, we're focused on HSBC. Once you've located the HSBC Mobile Banking app, in your search results or updates list, you should see an option to update next to it if a newer version is indeed available. Tap on Update. It's a straightforward process, but you might need to give it a moment to download and install the new version. Your device will handle this automatically, and it's often quite fast, depending on your internet connection speed. After the update has been successfully downloaded and installed, the app will be ready to use. You'll notice that the Update button changes to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to launch the latest version of the HSBC Mobile Banking app. This first launch after an update ensures everything is working as it should, and that you're ready to manage your finances with all the updated tools and security features. And that's it! Your HSBC Mobile Banking app is now updated to the latest version. Keeping your apps up to date is a fantastic habit that ensures both security and functionality, so make sure you check in periodically or enable automatic updates on your device if that option is available to ease the process in the future. Thank you for joining us today, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with using the most current version of your banking app.